Hey everybody, welcome to our channel MindTRY. Today, we are going to go over how to motivate yourself to study. Make sure to watch complete, because it's one of the most amazing way to motivate yourself to study I've ever seen. Having to complete all of that studying and catching up on reading from prior weeks might be a chore at times. It might be difficult because studying can bring up a slew of questions that make you doubt yourself on a personal level, such as, do these readings even make sense to me? Will I be able to come up with something interesting and relevant to write about? Will I make the right decision? Do I have what it takes to do this? Others appear to be more organized than I am. What if I fail miserably? These ideas are subtle, yet they can cause unpleasant sentiments that make it difficult to stay motivated. So to get that motivation, try some of the following ideas. 1. Motivate yourself by acknowledging your resistance and difficult feelings. It may be beneficial to jot down these sentiments or thoughts and then set them aside to explore later. 2. Do not flee the scene. You may feel deflated if you avoid employment. This is more emotionally taxing than the aggravation of having to read for your paper. 3. Don't be too hard on yourself if you procrastinate now and then. Try to become conscious of the tendency and gently encourage yourself to return to the work as soon as possible. 4. Make an effort to better understand your studying style. What will make working easier for you? We are all drawn to good experiences, therefore it's only natural that we shun unpleasant, dry activities and responsibilities. As a result, strive to make your study time as enjoyable as possible. 5. Never doubt your abilities. By comparing yourself to others, you are putting yourself down. 6. Visualize yourself getting started. Even if it's only for 20 minutes, force yourself to sit down and work. Consider commencing as a parallel process, similar to a jet taking off from a runway. You'll take off even if you start slowly. 7. Keep your attention on the task at hand. Avoid multitasking by prioritizing the most vital tasks. 8. Let others know about any problems you're having in Slash or what you're planning to do. This can assist you in becoming more involved in the process and identifying the most crucial activities. Communication and externalization can help you commit to urgent goals while also allowing you to learn from other people's perspectives and suggestions. 9. Schedule your tasks with a strict time limit in mind. How much can I accomplish in the next 2 hours? Can I complete all tasks? Instead of can I complete all tasks? As a result, you won't be as quickly overwhelmed by the amount of studying you'll have to do. 10. Keep in mind that studying can be difficult and require you to step outside of your comfort zone. Consider trekking Mount Kilimanjaro. It is not simple and can even be difficult, but the joy comes when you start to see the view from above, breathe fresh air, and feel a feeling of accomplishment and satisfaction when you get at your destination. Concentrate on the end result rather than the fight to get there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the video.